Yeah, this is the remix. Beat Rito Records. Vision from Adele Protection. Tricks the world. Ace song. Bring hope.
Dahil sa'yo, buhay nag-iba. Nagsimula nung makilala. Ang isang tulad mo wala nang nag-iba. Ako sa'yo'y natutong magmahal. Sa piling mo lumigaya ang katulad tubig ko na lang palagi sa mundo ito. Ikaw lang ang iibigin ko, sinta. Di magbabago ang nadarama. Ang puso kong ito sa'yo talaga. I know it's true, you really love me too. Do you? I can see it in your eyes. I know it's true. You don't need to prove it right away.
It was my heart beating so loud every time I see you. Acting like a child, I don't care what you had. Just want you by my side. How could I let you know this love could kill me so? If this love will never grow, but somehow you never let me down. Never ever let me down. I don't wanna lose you, girl, 'cause I don't wanna miss you, girl, and we will be together. Hope it will forever. I don't want another, my only one desire.
So I wanted to learn the things that you know, yet you made me believe that love will grow. Take me to the place that nobody knows and let this feeling come out and blow. Now I wanted to see the things that you see. Just please don't go far, far away with me and let the things where it used to be. You know I can't live without you near me.
You were always gonna be the one in my heart. Hope you know that I can't live without you, babe. Wishing that I'm not just dreaming of you. I know it's true, you really love me too. Do you? I can see it in your eyes. I know it's true. You don't need to prove it right away.
Yung 1, 2, 3, I'm feeling very happy. Pagkasama ka, hindi na ako manulong. Di walang dahilan para magbago ko sa'yo. Kaya nga sineryoso ang pagsusulat ko, para maliwanagan mo ang tunay naming psycho. Nadala-dala kahit paikot-ikot to, ikaw naman ang laman. At konsepto nito aking awitin, ginawa ay para talaga sa'yo. Yung pakinggan mo, sana maramdaman mo ang tunay na pagmamahal na ahalay ko sa'yo. Hindi ako bibitaw sa sumpaan natin na walang iwanan. Kahit sino ahamakin, masunod ang gusto mo. Yan ang aking gagawin para malaman mo na dapat aking hangarin sa iyo. Ito'y pakinggan mo at magustuhan mo sana ang awit